what we call water. The chemical compound of H2O. Carbon, hydrogen to the second power.
What? Oxygen.
Oh, oxygen, what?
Hydrogen.
Oxygen, hydrogen to the second power. Hence H2O. You drink it sometimes. It doesn't have so much salt in it.
Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom.
Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom.
That's why it's H2O.
That is why it's called H2O. Jason, why don't you explain this? Come here.
No, that's all that needs to be said.
Alright, go ahead and explain to the camera what this is that we are standing in.
Well, agua.
Agua, or water.
Water.
What is water?
Two hydrogen atoms.
Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen. Compounded together. Molecules.
Billion molecules.
Agua. Some water is good. Lot can kill you. Water has been famous for causing tsunamis. A tsunami is when a big wave comes on the land and kills a lot of people. Sometimes on these waters you can have what is commonly referred to as a hurricane. A hurricane is a weather storm that's very similar to a tornado, except one that starts out as a tropical storm out in the middle of nowhere. The technical term is what we call a depression. Not like the depression that happened in the United States, but more of a technical weather term. What it does is it causes a spinning. When the hot air meets the cold air and meets, it starts to spin at very low pressure, mixed with high pressure. Hence, you have what we call the sea. Now, if you notice, there's big things that start coming in and going out in this water. That is what we call waves. They're caused by a magnetic pull from the moon that is 283,000 miles away, or roughly a 3-day journey in what we call a boom boom spaceship. Right now we are on what we refer to as a low tide. That's when all the water is being pulled out yonder. But here in a little bit, in a few more hours before we leave this here beach, we're going to experience the high tide. That's when the moon magically starts pulling these waves into the shore again. Can I get an amen? No amen?
Well, it's not magical.
It's not magical!
Depends on where the moon is.
Oh, that moon!
Rotating around the earth.
The moon is rotating around this here earth.
When it gets to one side, then the water pushes or is forced to that side while it's going around. The water keeps